This swapped RX-8 doesn't have a shift booth, so I'm going to add one. Shift panel pries out by simply pulling on it. New boot. 4 screws removed. And the shift boot trim rings can be removed. This one can actually stay on. Now the shift booth has slots in it. Once the boot is slotted into the trim rings, the 4 screws can be added on again. And it'll look like that. That's a nicer look than without a booth at all. That's real simple. Remove knob, remove panel, take out 4 screws, put new booth in, or remove old boot, put new boot in, put 4 screws back in, panel on, shift knob on. So you change or add one.